Alright, this is a simple and fast review of the Ollm brand Teeth Whitening Kit. I most specifically want to just show you what's in it to start with. So, as you'll see, you'll have your user manual. I always highly recommend that you check that out. You'll have your kind of color shade guide that you'll just put up against your teeth to kind of get a feel for it. This will be your charger for your mouthpiece. And here's a secondary mouthpiece, and then 3 pen sticks. So we'll go ahead and show you what that looks like and the application process. Make sure you rinse the mouthpiece before getting started. And it turns on multiple colors. And you're just going to twist at the bottom there until the gel starts to flow towards the top. And then you're just going to simply apply evenly to your teeth. And twist to refill the gel if needed. Put it in your mouth, bite down, and what you want to do is turn it on, but make sure that you try and take deep breaths so that you're not getting too much saliva in your mouth, and do this for 15 minutes and then don't eat for 30. So we saw a good improvement after just the first use. I recommend that you use it at least every couple days. They say you can use it up to once a day, but overall we were pretty pleased with the results, and results may vary, but we definitely recommend this.